How to delete Facebook page permanently. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on the arrow down button. Now switch to the page account. Now wait for some time. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Again scroll down. Now under your information, tap on access and control. Now tap on deactivation and deletion. Now select delete page and tap on continue. Again click on continue. Again scroll down and tap on continue. Now enter your password and tap on continue to delete your page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.